The two of them are interchangeable at this point in time.
Dopo ma mucho de casa.
Yeah. Bye bye, Jessica.
My exit song. Thank you, Anna. Thank you. Everybody, thank you again. My exit song.
Oh, yeah.
Barbie Corporation.
Oye, si hubiera sido Ana, le hubiera dado
Is that the baby? Is that baby Rachel?
I don't know how this glare is.
Is that baby Rachel? Yeah. Can you say baby? Yeah, she's got dog on her shirt.
Bless you.
Is that your sister? That's her leg. Be nice. Yeah, good girl. Yeah, that's Rachel. Yeah, you ticky Rachel. Be careful. Okay, that's enough. Say hi. Say hi. Yeah. Say hi. Nose?
That's Rachel's nose.
Where's Jessica's nose?
No.
Where's Jessica's nose? It's a mouth. Oh, don't be sick. Who knows? Where's Jessica's nose? Yeah, that's Jessica's nose.
Oh no.
Nose? You're being silly. Who's that? Who's that? Dog.
Oh. No dog.
That's the dog.
Dog.
What do you always say to the dog?
Dog. Dog.
Did you say go away? No? You had enough? I take the baby? I take the baby? I want to take the baby. No? Thank you. I take the baby?
Go.
Huh?
No. Oh.
What? What do you want?
Boy. I know.
Can I sit?
No, just go. Go. No. Just go.
What?
I know.
Can I sit?
No.
Whoa, you gotta be careful with the baby.
No.
You gotta be careful.
Ow.
Okay, that's the baby. Okay. It's the baby. It's gonna be nice. Be nice to Lucky. Daddy. Where you going? You taking Daddy to the playroom?
You want to take me to the playroom? Let's go to the playroom.
Show Daddy the slide.
There's the playroom. Who's that? Is that Pooh? That's Pooh.
You can't pull the piece that way.
You'll see. Now, would you be so kind as to tour me to a muddy place of which I know
So Christopher Robin,
Is this your playroom?
Pooh to the petty
There's your kitchen. And your car. What's that? Is that your slide? You gonna slide for me? Go ahead and slide.
there. Now, isn't this a clever disguise? I'm a little black rain cloud, of course.
Silly old bear.
Now, would you aid me at the bees, please?
Careful, Pooh. Hold on tight.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Two.
Oh,
What happened?
she fell on the slide.
You fall? No wonder.
That's the wrong way, Jessica. That's the wrong way.
It looks like rain. It looks like rain.
That's not very comfortable.
Good thing babies are flexible.
Pooh! Who's that?
Shooter was singing with Pooh earlier.
Come to a very important decision.
Rachel's.
Who sought to be?
We're getting ready to hear how loud she really can be. She just ate and burped. So this just could be an annoyance here.
Uh-oh. No? Are we hungry again? You want to say hi to Daddy? You want to say hi? Oops. You want to say hi? You want to say hi? You want to say hi?
Doesn't want to focus. Back up.
What? Are we hungry again, or are we gonna poop?
Oh, that's the eyes of hey. That's mom.
What are you doing? What do you want? You trying to talk to me? Yes. Yes. You're a pretty little girl. You're a pretty little girl. Are you a hungry little girl? Yes. You awake? Girl. Yes, look at that pretty little girl. Oh, you're a cutie. Oh, you're a cutie. You're a ham. You're just a ham, aren't you? Are you a ham? Hey, are we gonna smile? Jessica, is that your sister?
Yeah.
Yeah, would you rather watch Willy Wonka?
Mommy says enough.
Oh, okay. Is that so?
Stunner.
All right, let me get the phone. Are you singing? Look at Rachel.
Oh.
Is that your sister?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Do you like Pooh
Yeah.
and Eeyore?
Pooh.
You got Pooh? Where's Pooh? Yeah, Pooh's on her socks. Where's her hand? Where's her hand? Yeah. What about her nose? Yeah. Where's your nose? Where's Jessica? Yeah, it's a mouth. Where's Jessica's nose? That's your mouth. Where's Jessica's nose? Jessica's nose, not Mommy's. Yeah. And who's your cousin? Is your cousin Joey?
Yeah.
Yeah. It is a baby. Is that the baby gonna smile? Yeah. You gonna smile, Rachel? Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. What you doing? Are you a good girl?
No.
Oh, okay. You gonna sit with your sister?
No.
What about Nana? You like Nana?
Poppy.
And Poppy. And Nana?
Nana.
Uh-huh. And Daddy?
Daddy.
Mommy?
Mommy.
Yeah. And Joey? Joey? You know Joey? And Joe? I'm not giving you enough attention over here? Are you a pretty girl? Are you going to be running around with your sister any day? Yes. Rachel! Rachel! That's the pretty girl. Uh-huh. Look at that pretty girl. Yeah. Yeah. You're such a happy baby. You have no hair, but you're a happy baby. Yes. Uh-oh. Who's sneaking in that picture? Who's sneaking in there? What do you got? You got juice? Is that juice? Do you want Coke? All right, somebody's sleepy. I think your sister's sleepy. I think your sister's sleepy. What do you think, Rachel? You think she's sleepy? Yeah, you're such a big girl now. Oh, good. How pretty. Yes. You're a ham. You're just a ham.
Mommy.
Yes.
Mommy.
Yes. Yes. What do you want?
Pooh.
You want Pooh?
Yeah.
In the playroom? What do you want, Jessica? Tell me. Come on, let's tell me. Rachel, your sister wants something. Can you hear her? You're gonna hear her for the rest of your life. Oh gosh, what a great sound, huh? You keep looking around. I'm gonna go see what she wants. And I think she wants to go out. You wanna go outside? Well, you know what? Daddy's coming home, and then we're gonna go outside later, okay? You wanna go play outside? Okay, we can go do that. Let's go do that. Rachel, would you like to go play outside? We'll go watch your sister play, okay? Let's go. What do you want to get on? You want to get on the swing? Here, why don't you give me the bottle? Thank you. Okay. Hi, Rachel. You want to hold this bottle? I'm sorry. Hi, sweetie. No, huh? Okay. Next year. Okay, Jessica, I'm coming.
Hey, girl. You want to push? That's your sign for pushing.
Who's that? Daddy.
Who's this?
Yay!
We got it on film. We did, didn't we?
Yeah. You gonna slide? Oh, what are we doing? Yay!
That was great.
I don't think we can go that way.
It's a little steep if you're going up though.
Oh, ball.
Dumb dog. See if I can put it in the doghouse.
Good luck.
Lucky,
Don't let her hit the table, though.
Lucky. You see it? You see it? Okay.
Nope.
Ooh, I can get it in the doghouse. Let me try and see. Oh.
You gonna slide?
No.
No? Who's on your shirt?
Bunny.
Barney. Blah, 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 blah.
Oh. Right over there.
What's wrong with Jessica? Oh, you gonna try the doghouse anymore?
I'm not daddy.
Well, look, Mommy's taking pictures. Here. You filming?
Yeah. I see.
Hey.
Hi, big girl. What's that face for? Say, what's that black box? What's that black box? What's that thing? Rachel. Rachel.
Take a picture of the clock. No one will believe me. It's 10 o'clock at night.
Say, I had a good nap today. I had a big nap. Are you ready to go to bed? Huh? You ready to go to bed? Okay. Say night night. Night night.
That freak.
No, I don't think so. But somebody fell asleep. Fell asleep. Hi.
No.
You want what? Go for the horsey. Gonna get on the horsey?
Hi, Greedy. Hi, Greedy.
Get on the horsey. There we go. You ride the horsey?
That's a picture.
What's that? What?
That's my
Who's that? She's... Say hi, Rachel. What's Rachel doing?
Yes, something.
Hi, Rachel. Hi, Rachel. Psst. Hey.
Don't click at my daughter.
She likes that sound. Be careful, Jessica. Are you being careful?
No. Stay up.
You want off?
You can get
Yeah,
off.
you get off. Can I put Rachel on there?
You want to give Rachel a ride?
Yeah. I'm right too. I'm right too.
You want to ride too?
You want to ride with Rachel?
Happy baby.
Okay, hold on. All right, look up at Mommy.
Hi, sweetie. I should get a picture of this too. Hi, sweetie.
No, hold on to the horsey. There you go.
Yeah, giddy up. Are you a big girl? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say I love you.
Bye.
You want to sing? Sing. You're such a ham. I love you. You love me. We're a happy family. With a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Yay!
What other song do you know?
You.
What other song?
What other song do you know?
Two.
Okay.
Are you?
Happy birthday. Sing it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Oh, no.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Nana, fix it. Come here. Okay. And dance?
Do your dance for Mama.
Jessica, dance? Oh. Oh, okay. Dance. You're a silly girl.
Want me to open it? I guess not.
Just put it back.
That would have opened it.
Yeah, we can open it. What'd you do with it? The dog's gonna have a ball.
Yeah.
Let me see. I'll see if I can open it for you.
No me.
Stop a little wench.
Look, I can do it.
Jessica,
What?
let me open it for you.
No, me.
You dance.
You got your glass slippers on?
Oh, he did great.
Neat.
Neat.
That's neat.
You had a hard time with it. Tootsie Roll.
I told you I'd open it for
They had to
you.
open it for you. Yes, you gotta think of that.
This is my dog.
You got it.
She got it.
Right. Straight.
Oh, you lost your necklace. You don't want it? You give Papa a kiss? That's a sweet kiss, candy filled.
Candy one. Licorice. Tootsie Roll.
Go show Daddy your shoes. He's coming. He's coming.
He's coming. Oh, there's Hucky.
Look at her shoes. Look at her shoes, Eddie.
Nice shoes.
You guys playing in the playroom?
We're gonna sit down and get your picture. Sit down and get your picture.
It doesn't have to be just sitting down for a picture. This one you can move for, okay? Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
I'm here.
Huh?
I'm here.
You're 2. What's your name?
This guy.
That's right.
And get picture.
Oh, yeah.
No, get picture out.
No, this is just how you play it. Who's that? Who's your sister?
Sister, me.
What's her name?
Two.
What's her name?
My friend and my baby sister.
Your friend and your baby sister?
Yeah.
What's her name?
This.
What's her name right there?
Huh?
What's her name?
That's okay. okay.
That's okay.
Here it comes.
I tried to put my shoe on.
I know, but Rachel wants to walk. Okay, there we go.
At one point, we both lived at Springfield.
I'm doing the hand.
At 29:30, 10 o'clock.
Where did you go?
Upstairs.
And you followed him upstairs.
I didn't actually
One shoe
follow.
on.
I went up and he came up behind me.
Was Ron Ship and your brother both friends?
I had never
That's
met
how
Ron
it
Ship before.
is.
to my
Daddy.
knowledge.
Daddy.
I don't know.
Daddy.
It's
You
not.
know the relationship?
Daddy.
You don't know whether or not the
Daddy.
thing that confided
Daddy.
to Ron Ship.
Here we go. Here comes Daddy. Say cheese.
You don't know whether or not the thing that
Ah.
I got her
Ron
shoe.
Ship on fire.
Oh, you got just Rachel's shoe.
Personal matter. Yeah.
Thank you.
She got that.
Rachel's walking, huh?
No, I got
What do you want to tell the camera? What do you want to say? What'd you do today?
Yes, he told me.
Did you know
Daddy.
Yeah. What'd you do?
Daddy, I'm a Pilar.
You went to Pilar's. What'd you do at Pilar's?
I eat it.
You eat? What'd you eat?
I eat my soup.
Your soup?
Yeah, Pilar. And we eat it. Waiting for eat it.
When you met Ron Ship, did he-
Why don't you sing Pocahontas for Daddy?
Pecan is
Do you
the
speak
color
yellow?
that
He really did
The
talk about
wind.
my brother.
Did he appear to be there in support of your brother and your family?
I assume he was.
the pecan that
Sing again.
paints
Can you paint?
a color
Yeah. Yay. You want to dance for Daddy? You gonna dance? Rachel. Where you going? What you doing? I don't think you need that. I don't think you need that. Little girl, come on. Come on. Say it. Can you dance? Rachel, you want to dance? Can you paint with all the colors of the rainbow? She doesn't want to dance. She wants to walk. I know, I know.
No! Come on, baby, in. Colors of the wind.
You want to kiss Rachel?
No, I can't.
You can dare. Okay. Say bye-bye to the camera.
Papa camera.
See ya.
See ya.
Rachel, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Now she's dancing.
You can paint with all the colors of the wind.
Rachel, say bye-bye.
Tea.
I know. I really got.
Wait a minute, Rachel, wait a minute.
What did you say?
Wait a minute.
What did you say?
Okay, ready?
Okay, let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rachel. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Like, what the heck is going on here?
I don't understand any of it. It's like I was taking a nap. That's why we're doing it this way. All right,
Hold on.
cupcakes.
Okay, wait a second. Just digging into
Who
that.
wants chocolate cupcakes? Who wants to
Oh,
go?
cupcake.
Cupcake de chocolate o de vainilla?
Cupcakes or cupcakes?
Vanilla or chocolate? Huh?
Have some cupcakes.
Let's take paper off.
Which one?
Mama,
Which
take
kind
paper
you
off.
want?
Wait, Peter. Mama, take
Get a
paper off.
vanilla.
You want vanilla? Okay.
Joey, Peter,
Seems to be the best.
You want vanilla?
There's enough for
Oh yeah.
the
There's
larger
plenty.
kids.
Yeah.
Here, come on. Be careful, don't let it fall. Ah, too bad. You have to eat
Look
the
at
bread,
Matthew
though.
like, excuse me, I am here.
Here. You want me to- Here. This is how you eat a cupcake.
Chocolate or chocolate vanilla?
Here, Matthew. Sorry, that's all. Look at me, I'm such a wing mother.
It's hard to get these kids out of the...
Chocolate vanilla?
I want a chocolate vanilla. That was right there. That's right there. Kids have.
Or there's chocolate
No,
chocolate.
this-
Chocolate vanilla, chocolate. Alex?
Go for it.
Oh, there's plenty here.
It's my favorite part is the cake part, not the roast.
That's okay, Rachel can get all messy out.
It's hard to get these kids out of the water.
Rachel's got some. She can have her cake.
Here you go, Matthew.
What kindergarten teachers must go through.
I like chocolate too.
Poor Matthew. He's on the wrong slant.
I like chocolate too, Mommy.
Jessica, you're like revealing yourself. Fix your bathing suit.
Mommy, I like chocolate.
That is a chocolate brownie.
You ate it already? It was good.
Hey, Tomas. Tomas,
Oh, mira, Eddie.
Hey, Slim.
turn around and say hello.
Say hi.
Hi.
We should take John with Frosty, man.
I know. In 90-degree heat.
Put that tongue back in.
Come in. Open big.
Mommy, I like.
Nick, you gotta get
Honey,
that fade
you already
working.
had one.
Shut up.
Mommy, I
I know I did.
Yeah.
Oh, there's tons.
You want to cut it?
like chocolate.
Sure.
Okay,
Anytime.
hold on.
I cut Manny up the other day.
Oh, I'm not. You messing
You want
up?
to get you another
I
cookie? Ask him what kind you want.
I'd love to show you how.
Careful, Eddie's filming. I'm standing right in the film.
I'll show. Look, are you sure that's how you do it? Then I'll tell you.
Joe, give me a big smile, Joe. Joe,
Did you get your house yet?
Chocolate are in the bag.
Today or tomorrow.
Joe, give me a big smile.
Found one.
Big one, there you go.
Joe, he wants this.
Found one.
Where's it at?
We're looking at a
This
couple others.
is what he
Where's it
wants.
at?
That's right
Joe.
behind you.
No, I like that one.
Up which side of Route 50?
Excuse me, I know my son.
Excuse me, he just
Which
pointed
west?
to
Is
this
that
and he
towards
goes,
Glebe?
that one, but this one's broken.
Not towards DC.
Okay, this is from Amanda, Sammy, Bobby, Bob, and Elena.
Sure, you got the one from you.
See?
Yesterday.
How pretty. Okay, let's not destroy. Yeah. Okay, okay. My dad will put it over here.
Jessica, can you help Rachel?
Showed Rachel how to do it, 'cause she doesn't know. Whoa. Here we go. Here, we'll do two at a time. This is from Lynn and Raul and the kids.
Are you gonna open this one, Jessica? You started.
Okay, yes, I know. Pull on that. Good. Good.
Rachel's opening her present, huh? You wanna help?
Good girl. Keep going.
You helping?
Keep going. You're doing good too, Jessica. Oh, keep pulling.
Yeah. Can you say mama? Mama?
Hold this. Good. Wow. Go, Rach.
Just gonna go in here.
Oh yeah, go Jessica. Good. All right. We gotta open the box. There's more, Rachel. It's not just the paper. Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. You can wear that. It's a jacket. On you. Look at that. It's a jacket. I think what they got. I think
Having fun, Rachel?
Okay, ready? Look. Ta-da! What's in there?
What's Rachel got in there? You're gonna be decked out, girl.
Whoa! Pretty.
Rachel in a pretty dress? Size 4. Rachel, actually Jessica can wear this.
Look at the headband.
No, Rachel. Oh, it is cute.
It's like pants.
You're ready to go, Rachel.
That's awesome. Go girl. Go girl.
Get it off my head. I don't know what it is. It's off my head.
Should we do another one? You're having a ball.
Look, Jessica, this fits you right now.
You know what, Rachel? Maybe you should, yeah. Oh, thank you, Jessica. Happy first birthday, Tomás, Nikki, Teresa, and Octavio. See? Okay. Okay, put the present here. Put the present here. Upside down, remember? Okay. And give her a little piece to pull, and then you pull the rest.
All right, Jessica.
Here, Rich. There's more. Right here. Jessica's very good at this.
Years of practice. Who's that? It's Rachel. It's Rachel's
It's a
birthday
towel.
present. It's
Here,
a
let's
towel.
hold it up. Let's hold it up so everybody can see. Oh, I have to stand up for this.
Look at that. That's a big. He is for Pooh, the best kind of friend.